Welcome to Rich's Slot Car Room. Welcome to Thank God It's Tyco Friday. Today we're doing a Ford Pantera. This is the last car on my second row. Done them all. All my S's are done. I'm working on my Tyco Pros now. Got nice new wipers on it. Got white boots on the back. I'll bring it around here and we'll check the bad boy out. This car was made 72, 73. That's why the white boots are on it. Looks like she's missing something on the bottom by a rear bumper, hanging low. These were made in Italy, not the car. The real Panteras were made in Italy, and the bodies were shipped over here. And this is the rear where the engine goes, and Ford put a 351 in them, I guess. So yeah, pretty cool car. Let's bring you over here and we'll check the bad boy out on a dyno. See how she runs. Not too bad. Let's pull the body off. If I can get it off. I don't know. Pretty shiny, but I'll go ahead and put some Novas on it. Yeah, most of the Tyco Pros are a little erratic on the old dyno. Yeah, 35, 40, not too bad. Let's take this bad boy over to the track and we'll take her for a little test drive. Oh, did I show it to you in the book? I don't think I did. So let me look it up here. I'm not sure where the Panteras were. I think page 30. Yep, 30. We got all kinds of orange cars in here. We have BMWs and ISO Griffos, and right up here are the Panteras. I did this silver and black, number 25. Today is the number 24. Got the ISO Griffos. These are BMWs. These are ISO Griffos. And yeah. Lamborghini Miura. 28, 29, 30 Lamborghinis. We'll stick with the Ford Pantera for today. 72 to 73 Tyco Pro. 8116C and 8116 was the original silver and black. And they just added a C on this for color, because the color changed, I guess. And number 2, they're both availabilities of 2, and this one is orange. There you have it. Put you on pause and I'll take you over to the track. Guess I better bring the car over. A little ass happy, but to be expected with a Tyco Pro 2. Not too bad. Nice orange color. You can see it good. Wow, it's gonna be hard pressed to find another Tyco Pro in there that's better than this one right here. This one here is awesome. Yes, it is. Wow, this thing is sweet. Pantera or Ford. Yeah, these wipers are nice and flat. That's how they're supposed to be. They're nice and brand new. I put the small screwdriver in, rolled it over the end, rolled it over, and then took the pliers and crimped it down. They're nice and flat. Yeah, these things are awesome. Real nice. Oh yeah. This is a really cool car here. I could put the chassis under any body, but this body shines. It's nice. It's orange. You can see it really well. It runs real good. Real pleased with it. Not sure what goes on the back. It can't be a bumper. Maybe some kind of a side pipe, a rear pipe stick out, because the chrome, that bumper is chrome, and I think it has something to do with the exhaust. Let me go look at the other one real quick. Yeah, it has to do with the dual mufflers sticking out the back. And it's actually all one piece. No, it's actually two of them. Oh, there's a little piece of chrome in there. So I think it's just one piece. No, it's two piece. It's two piece, and yeah. So I'm gonna take one of these off if I can get it off without ruining it. This one here is loose. I'm gonna take this side here off. I'm gonna send it to Keith Horton and have him make me about 4 days and send them back, and I will chrome them and I'll put them on here, and I'll show you guys on a Friday night. Here's the black and silver. I did this car, and yeah, did this one here today. This one here runs awesome. Just needs a couple chrome mufflers sticking out the back, so yeah. Got the orange tail lights, red I should say, chrome bumper. Front's got red, black on the bottom, or in the middle. Yeah, black in the middle there. It's a pretty cool car. Ford Pantera. Alright, appreciate you guys coming in. Today is Friday. I do not have a pick kit. Today is actually Monday, and you're watching this Friday. So hopefully somebody will send me, I will get them this week. Ricky and a few of you other guys go to Hobby Lobby, and you guys see cars all the time. If you guys can grab me some, I will pay you. And yeah, send them. I need pick kits to build on Friday nights. And that's it for right now. I'll catch you guys live tonight. I'll find something to do. Yeah. Alright. Cold snacks and pick kits. Yeah. So yeah, 7:15 Eastern time. You guys can catch me here live. And I will see you guys then. Later.